Hi friends, welcome to Kids Educational Zone by Dr. Arpita. Since it's Diwali time, I bring to you a video on how to explain young kids about the concepts of Diwali and what all things are associated with it. I also have 6 worksheets which my almost 4-year-old daughter Arohi loved solving. Apart from these worksheets, she also painted and decorated diyas this Diwali. I could not make a video of that, but I hope this video will help you in engaging your kids with different Diwali activities. So let's get started. Please subscribe to my channel if you like this video. Also, I wish you all a very happy Diwali and a prosperous New Year. Arohi, what is this? We have made a Diwali card for you, okay? Can you say what happens in Diwali?
We wear new dress.
Yes.
We put lantern and decorate the house.
Very good. We decorate the house. We clean the house. Yes, and decorate the room.
Shopping.
Shopping. We do shopping. Yes. What else do you do? You eat sweets.
We eat sweets.
Yes. Very good. What do we put on the door? What did we put today? We put toran. Remember marigold toran we had put?
Toran.
And in the night time, what do you do? What do you put on in the balcony? Diyas, candles and lanterns. You also do rangoli. See? So during Diwali, we do rangoli, we put diyas, candles, lanterns, you burst crackers, you decorate the room, you wear new clothes. Remember we wore...
Yes, the shopping.
We do shopping first, yes. Yes, very good.
We eat sweets also.
Yes, very good. What is Diwali?
And Diwali is
Festival of lights, diyas, candles, lanterns. Then Diwali is the celebration of victory of good over bad and of light over darkness. Okay, what happens when we light diyas? Darkness goes away. Yes, and
sweets also.
Sweets also, yes. During Diwali, what do? We do puja of Goddess Lakshmi Mata and Lord Ganesha. Why Lakshmi Mata and Ganesha? It gives us good luck, success, wealth and prosperity.
And we can wear a new dress.
New dress.
Chaniya
Chaniya choli. And we also do puja. Remember we did puja today. Then people clean their house and decorate the houses with beautiful firecrackers also. Yes, beautiful lanterns, diyas, candles, rangoli, toran. See?
Yes, Mama.
Then there's also exchange of sweets, snacks, gifts with friends and family. So now we'll do this activity, okay, of Diwali. So you here, Arohi, what do you have to do? You have to write the beginning letter of each and every object which is there on this paper, okay? You already know these are objects, okay? So now let's do the activity. You have to write the beginning letter, beginning capital letter. Let's do the activity now, okay? Start. What is this? What is this? What is this?
Diva.
Diva. Okay, diya. So diya starts from which alphabet? The
D.
D. So write D properly. Okay, very good. Now next, what is this? What do we make in front of our houses? What do we make in front of our houses? Rangoli. Yes, right. Rangoli starts from which alphabet? R. R. Yes, very good. You know how to write R?
આસુ
છે એ અહીંયા લખવાનું છે. અહીંયા સ્ટેન્ડિંગ લાઈન કરો. Make a standing line. You know how to write R? Half circle. Make half circle. and diagonal line. Very good. Let's start the next activity. Okay, second activity. You have to circle the odd one out. Odd is different. Now circle what is different in this. Start from here. What is different? Now which picture is different? Odd.
Okay. No, here is not.
What is not there?
This.
Flame. Okay. Circle the diya which does not have flame. Very good. Now the next one. What is this? It's a firecracker. Now what is different in this picture? In this, all these pictures? Yes.
Nothing.
Nothing. Okay. Flame is not there. Okay. So circle that one. This one. What is different? What is different in this one?
This is same only.
Say everything is same? No, I don't think so. One diya is different.
Okay.
Which diya is different? Tell me.
What is surprise?
Ha, that's a gift, surprise gift. But first let's do this one. Which diya is different? Show me.
This is different.
That is different. Okay, circle it. Very good. Now, gift.
Different.
It's different. Okay. Big circle. Make us big circle. Yes. Now, next one. What is different? Everything is related to Diwali. Is everything related to Diwali? See, is everything related to Diwali?
No.
This is a firecracker. This is a diya. This is a rangoli. What is this? The next one? Loudly. Christmas tree. Okay. And then the next one is firecracker. So what do we... So, does Christmas tree come in Diwali? No. Do we put Christmas tree in Diwali? No. So what is different then? Snowma. Yes. 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 So what is different? Circle the different one. Very good. Yes. Yes. Then the next one. Which flowers are there? Lotus flower. Which is lotus flower?
Pink.
Pink. But all are pink only. Show me. No. Those are rose flowers. And the last one is the lotus flower. Show me the lotus flower.
Yes.
Okay. So lotus flower is the symbol of Diwali. Lakshmi ji sits on lotus flower. Remember I told you? All the others are rose flowers. Circle the lotus flower then. That is different. Finished? Okay. These are all things related to Diwali. Let's start with the next activity.
This to this.
That's a hexagon. Yes. Circle to circle. But what is that? What is that?
Laddus.
Laddus. And the one which you did before, what is this? What is it? It's a lantern.
Lantern.
Yes. Then that's a frame. Lakshmi ji's frame. No. Look properly. See properly. Which shape is that? Acha, rangoli is. Which shape is that?
Rectangle.
Rectangle. Yes. Which shape is that?
Triangle.
Lovely. It's a firecracker. Yes. Now, one thing is remaining. That's a square. Lakshmi ji's photo is, the photo frame is of square. Start with the next activity. Okay.
Okay.
So first one is Diwali is the festival of, is it lights? Yes. But what is this? Colors, Rakhi or lights? Diwali is the festival of
Light.
Lights. Okay. So what is the festival of Rakhi called?
I don't know.
Raksha Bandhan. What is the festival of colors called? Where we apply gulal, different colors on your body.
Holi.
Holi. Yes, very good. So circle. Diwali is the festival of circle, lights, and or diya.
Circle माने करो.
Next one. We worship goddess. Which goddess do we worship in Diwali? Is it Lakshmi or Sita? Lakshmi ji. Okay. The next one. We keep a house messy or tidy. Messy is dirty and tidy is clean.
This.
Clean. We distribute dash to our friends and family. What do we distribute? What do we exchange? Bread, sweets or pizza during Diwali. What do we give each other? What is that?
Sweet.
Sweets. Which sweets did you eat in Diwali? Light diya, firecracker or matchstick and decorate the house. What do we light in the house? What do we light? No. In the house, you don't light firecrackers. You burst firecrackers outside the house. Yes, inside the house, you light diyas. You should burst firecrackers with parents or without parents. With parents or without parents?
Parents.
Yes, bursting too many firecrackers makes our earth healthy or sick or polluted?
Sick.
Sick, yes. Why? Because there's a lot of air pollution. See, the earth is crying. So we should burst only very little or no firecrackers.
This is Toro Kachkai.
No, this is healthy. See, look, he's smiling. The earth is smiling.
It is healthy.
It is healthy, yes. And what about earth here? It is sad. Sad. Most favorite thing about Diwali. What thing do you like the most? Which is your favorite thing? First is laddus. Second is firecrackers. Then you have diya. Then you have gift, rangoli and lantern. What do you like the most?
All things.
All things. But what is your favorite thing? Diya you like or gift or firecrackers?
Gift.
Next one is Diwali is victory of good over princess or evil. Evil is bad. What is Diwali? Is it about...
Princess.
No, it is not about princess. It is about bad. Victory of good or bad. Good over bad. Good wins, not the bad. So circle the bad one. Evil, see? Diwali starts from which alphabet?
D.
D. Okay, the right D. Arohi, right D. Write properly. Write D. Start from which alphabet? D. Write D properly. Very good. Hold the pencil properly. Write D. Very good. Let's start the next activity.
Yes.
Now circle all the things that you can relate to Diwali. Start. What is this? Is this related to Diwali? A lady with diyas in her hand.
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah.
Then circle it. Very good. What is this next one?
A rocket.
No, that is pichkari. See, water is, these are not flames. This is pichkari, holy. Jo tu
No.
holy, pichkari. See, water is coming out. See?
No.
So no. Then next one, this one. Is this related to Diwali?
Yes.
What is that?
Rangoli.
Rangoli, yes. We do Rangoli at the entrance of the house. Then what is this?
Christmas tree.
Christmas tree. Is Christmas tree related to Diwali? No. Okay. Then next one. Rangoli colors. Yes, Rangoli colors. How will you do Rangoli? With different colors. Gulal powder. Circle it. We do Rangoli with these colors, right? Colored powder.
Like this.
Yes, like this. See? Then this is, what is this?
Laddus.
Laddus, yes.
See, like this.
You like to? You can eat. Yes, yes. Circle the laddus then. Hold the pencil properly. Yes. Then what is this?
Candle.
Diya. Yes, diya.
Two.
Yeah, that is a firecracker. What is this? Which festival is this? Gold.
Raksha Bandhan.
Raksha Bandhan. Very good. And what about this? What is this? What is this?
Ravan.
Ravan with 10 heads. Yes.
Ravana.
Ravana. Yes. What is this?
Houses.
House. But is it related to Diwali? What is this? This is a broom. We clean the house with the broom. These are firecrackers.
Yes.
And then this is a rangoli.
Yeah.
Diyas. Two
Yes,
diyas.
yes,
Yes,
yes.
yes. Circle it. Very good. Now this is fulgari. See, sparklers, firecrackers.
Yes. Yeah.
And what about this? This is a candy cane. This is a Christmas thing. Yeah, no. Okay, this Ravana also. No. We burn Ravana during Dashera. Okay. So, all things related to
The one.
Diwali. Let's start. You've already finished 3-4 counting items. You've already written. This is number 8. Then this is number 5. This is 6.
I can hear
And this is 4.
I can hear the room.
How many lanterns are there? Count the lanterns. And sleeping line. Yes. Now next item are Lakshmi Ji's footprints. Lakshmi Ji na pagla. See, count how many?
1, 2,
3. Okay.
3. And like this.
Yes, very good. And how many firecracker? See, last one. Count. See, this next page is of Diwali, words related to Diwali. See, Goddess Sita, Lord Ram and Lord Hanuman. Why Lord Ram and Sita are associated with Diwali? Because, say, during Diwali, they came back to their palace in Ayodhya.
Yeah.
Then, what is the next one? Diya, Goddess Lakshmi, Rangoli, gifts, family, friends, sweets and firecrackers. These are all words related to
The one.
very good.